little spoiler to today's video, we put this car on the trailer. But I would like to say, everybody, there's going to be 5 days left to get your chance to get the ZACKS Workshop sponsorship. Your chance of getting $370 sent to you either through PayPal or e-transfer. And don't forget, guys, ZACKS Workshop limited edition shirts are in. The fronts look like this, back look like this. Have all sizes in stock, and if you guys want to be part of the sponsorship, get a 1 to 2 minute video in. Either make a video, send it to me over Messenger, or make a video, post it to your own YouTube, and send me the link, and I'll pick the top 5 or 10, make a video, and we will decide who gets the winner that way. So don't forget, guys, new shirts, free sponsorship. Enjoy today's video of this car in the trailer.
Well, we're going to take this car into scrap. We're going to load it onto the new trailer. Well, not the new trailer, but the trailer. As you guys can tell, I'm kind of a little sick. My voice is reflecting that. Still got to do a lot of work to this car before it's ready to go. But because my truck is in the shop, we're going to tow it to the scrapyard with this little Suzuki. Now, this little Suzuki's had some rough for rare. There's no floor in it. The clutch pedal doesn't go all the way down. The door doesn't shut. I'm joking, guys. Don't worry. I'm not going to the scrapyard in this. I'm just using this Suzuki to move the trailer around my property. I built a cool little hitch for it. It's just a class 1 hitch, so I really don't trust it that much. I'm surprised it hasn't ripped the whole frame out of the rear with this hitch yet. We're just going to winch this thing on and get it ready for scrap. Get the tires off it and stuff like that. It's pretty much half filled right now. I've been doing a lot of cleanup in the shop, so it's going to be going to scrap here very shortly. Just got it all filled with garbage from inside the shop, all the old brakes from the trailer, that kind of stuff. But something else that we've been doing inside the shop here, Steven actually helped me do it. We insulated that bay right there and that bay over there. I've installed some new shelves and everything. I put some 2x4s in behind, made a wall, insulated it, vapor buried it, all that fun stuff. It basically cost me $250 per bay to do that. So probably in the next upcoming months, maybe next fall, this spring, we'll be doing this one and probably that one. But they're going to be a little bit more intense because of all the shelving units and everything. That's all going to have to come off and get rebuilt. So not really looking forward to that, but not much I can do, right? So yeah. We're just going to get this thing pulled onto the trailer. Going to test out the new control box on the winch. Test out the trailer basically, and test out the hitch I built for this thing. It's sketchy. Well, we've almost got it on, and I didn't really change the winch out. All I did was change the control box, and it looks like it's kind of melting through everything. I'm pretty sure it's just a dirty connection or something seriously wrong inside this winch, but she's still working, so I'm going to still keep pushing it. So let's get this thing up the rest of the way. So this is something new to me. I've never had a winch controller like this. I've just had wires that I twisted together. Overall, the winch did work, but I should have changed it out, but I'm not gonna. This thing still works. Why am I gonna change it if it still works? Hasn't left me stranded yet. But we got the Buick on. I gotta pull the front tires off because they're rentals from a buddy because they're doubles. I'm gonna pull the back tires off because I lose money if I send tires in with my cars. This donut's actually still good. Hooray! So we got one donut that's still good. Maybe once we get the tires off we can take a good look at the frame on this thing. But it's definitely going to scrap. That little Suzuki is a champ. It's moving this trailer around pretty easily. Just wish it had a better clutch. Now that we got all the tires off, this side's actually the side that's bent the least right here, but in the back you can see how bad this thing bent. That spring's supposed to be back here, so that shows you how far it bent. And on the other side it pretty much did the exact same thing. The seams all ripped apart and the springs moved ahead. So that's that side. But in the front, this is what actually surprised me, was it bent hard right there. You can see the bend. The frame comes up and then continues coming up. And the subframe even took a little bit of a kink. So this car here was not a very good car. It was an extremely soft derby. It didn't run very well, so it couldn't do big hits. And it still suffered catastrophic hits done to it. But it'll be going into scrap soon as I get my Dodge back. And just trying to clean up the shop a bit, get some more space. Lots of cars have to go into scrap here. All those have to go. So, oh well. But not much I can do. Just get ready and get ready to send these things in. So the Buick is off to scrap though. It's the good riddance do it. We're not saving anything off of it because it's not worth my time, to be honest. But off to scrap. Thanks for watching, guys. See you back here tomorrow.